Side sleeping with legs outstretched. This position is often seen in dogs that are very comfortable and feel secure in their environment. It allows them to fully relax their muscles and distribute their body weight evenly. Dogs that frequently sleep in this position may have a generally good level of physical and mental well-being. Curled up on one side. Dogs that sleep in a curled up position with their tail wrapped around their body and their head tucked in may be trying to conserve body heat. This position helps them stay warm and can be commonly observed in colder environments or during chilly weather. However, if a dog constantly sleeps in a tight curl or hunch, it could be a sign of discomfort or pain, especially if they have difficulties training out. Belly down with legs splayed. Some dogs prow out on their bellies with their legs extended in different directions. This position is often seen in dogs who are hot and trying to cool down by exposing their belly to the cooler surface. However, if a dog constantly assumes this position even in normal temperature conditions, it may be an indication of joint issues or discomfort. Sleeping on their back. Dogs that sleep on their back with their legs up in the air may be displaying a sense of vulnerability and trust in their environment. It allows them to fully relax and stretch their muscles. However, not all dogs feel comfortable or secure enough to sleep in this position. Some dogs may have anxiety or fear-related issues that prevent them from assuming this vulnerable position. Nesting or burrowing. Certain breeds, such as terriers, have a natural inclination to burrow or create nests in their bedding. They may scratch or dig at their sleeping area before settling down. This behavior is rooted in their instinctual desire to create a den-like environment for comfort and security.